Okay, here we are at the switchboard again. What I'm trying to do is look over here and map all of these mics correctly. So right now, if I look at that piece right there, I go over to the display and I see that it's connected to Dante 01, which is Y001-001. I can change that mapping right here if I want to. So right here is Dante Y001001. All that means is that that is attached to the Rio box 01 in slot 1, because Y001 is Rio box 1. As you go through all of these things, Y002, that's the Rio box number 2. When you go to things like Y011, these guys right here, those are the Shure ULXD receivers in the sound booth. Y012, Y011, those ones are right there. So these are all mapped correctly too. So let me go see how we're doing on some of these other mappings. So right here, I wanted to get the wireless, make sure we're connected properly there. So I'll select it, and I can see up here, okay, I can see up here where that label is. And I also see what's feeding it, Dante 17, which is Y011-001. So that is this guy right here is the ULXD receiver, the top one in the row. Okay, so let me go over to down here, wireless 5, right? My problem was I want to map wireless 5, which is the second row. That wasn't mapped correctly. So I'll look at it now. Wireless 5, so I pushed the wrong one. So wireless 5, I map it to, it's mapped to Y012, and then the next one over is mapped to Y01202, that's correct, Y01203, and then Y002008. So that actually would be the stage box 02, so I don't like that, so that's not good. I don't want that mapped there. So this says wireless 8. It's mapped to down on one of the Rio boxes. So I want to go and change that. That is what I needed to show us here now. So let me figure out how I'm going to do that. I go to IO device, which shows what each of these things are called. Y012, that's the one I want to map that to, the last channel in it. So I'm going to go and I'm going to go to Dante input patch right here. That's where I see all of these mappings right here. So Dante 1, Dante 2, how those are all mapped. So I want to go back to where it was messed up, which was like 21, 22. That one's 3. Dante 24 was the one that's messed up. I need to change that one. So I hit that button. I need to go find it over here, which is the second ULXD box. So that's 012 right there. I'm going to map it to number 4 right there. I'm going to close this. Now it's mapped correctly. So 24, channel 24 here is mapped to Dante 24 there, which is mapped correctly to the other unit. So I'm going to go back out of the IO device, check that out. This indeed is now mapped to Y01204. That's channel 24, so that would be wireless number 8, which is where? That is up here. Wireless number 8 is actually, this is the first 4, this is the second 4, so right there, that would be that one in this channel.